Hello everyone, we are Team 3. This is just a brief overview of how our navigation among screens takes place. This is our home menu where we have maps, music, Bluetooth, settings and apps along with an emergency button which will take you to 911 and time and date and display. We made the screen so simple that makes user friendly for that. And first of all, let me go to maps. After you click on maps, you'll be taken to another screen where you always have a home screen available right next to you. If you want to go back, you'll get POI, place of interest, traffic light option, and HUD and your interest. And you'll be getting a pinch in and pinch out option where if you want to go deep into maps, and you'll get start and end, and obviously a symbol that will help you to call 911 if there is an emergency or not. So for example, if you click HUD map, you'll be taken to a screen where your map will be on the rear view. If this is an option, if an user doesn't want that, he can directly ignore that. And later on, if he get POI, he'll be taken to another screen where he'll be having petrol or ATM or police and help right next to him, and obviously on a home screen to navigate back to the home page. And if the user presses music or Bluetooth or another option, he'll be taken to another page. For example, if I click on apps, I'll be taken to an app suite. These are all the basic apps that an user really needs to use, and we plan to have a database which will have a large amount of apps like Facebook, YouTube, and other options. If a user really wants them to be in his app suite, he can adjust them as usual. And he can click on app and to have a data accordingly. And in the next page, he'll be taken to music, like the just basic music option, very user friendly. When you see here, all the data related to music is on the left side, which will be the right side to the user driver, so that he can directly access the data and he can play upon the music, and just obviously can navigate back to the home screen. And a Bluetooth option, just like normal devices, to get connected to the Bluetooth using a phone or audio player, like aux to get connected. And if he needs to add a new device, he can add a new device. Bluetooth is the basic entry for any user to enter into this infotainment system, so that he can access SMS or any songs or that are stored in the phone, or to make any phone call, important phone call, or to receive them without getting himself distracted. And later on, this is the settings page where a user can have a complete overview of all the settings that you would like to put in his system. For example, when I come to time, he can have a 12-hour or 24-hour like analog or digital, and maybe having an automated time zone update without coming out of the system itself. And for example, when it comes to vehicle, he can have a light data or windshield settings, and especially this camera settings to have a rear camera delay, or any other systems settings related to camera if you have. And display option, which like dimming the screen, or wallpaper editing, the favorite wallpaper that you would like to put in. And another system settings like language and console. If you'd like to have more languages, you can directly add on here for better convenience. And the distance in kilometers or miles, and temperature and keyboard layout. These are all the basic simple settings that a user could have. These days many cars do not have such kind of simplicity, they are making things complex and finally leading to driver distraction. So we try to make our options so simple, so that user gets what he really needs, instead of just playing by the rules. And we also got another additional feature. This is iDrive. Let me explain that briefly. For example, if I would like to go through some music or maps, I could directly use M option here, like M, or this I can type M, or I use my gesture M, so that I would directly get navigated to music and maps, so that I could directly press these options instead of just going to home page and doing multiple options. He can directly press them on and get his things done. So this is an additional feature that we would like to incorporate. When we go deep into this, he always have this time displayed all around, and an emergency option for the right cause. So this is our basic interactive design that we'd like to present it to the user for a better safety and avoiding driver distraction.